Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Today we have a beautiful new car dealer trade 21 Toyota Highlander XLE, leather, center row bucket seats, sunroof, really nice car. We walk around and let you take a look at it. Car just got out of the cleanup shop, hasn't been through service yet, but by the time you see this video I'm sure it will be next day or two. Wheels are nice. Needs tires. We'll have 4 new tires on it by the time you come see it. Walk around. The paint is nice, black with gray leather inside. It's got a little hitch on the back if you want to tow your jet skis. It's got curb rash on one wheel. We get that fixed. My wheel guy's here every Monday. Leather wrapped wheel. It's got the big screen. All your ports, USB ports, all that. One key, one remote. Center console's really nice. Leather's really nice. Really good condition. It's got 128,000 miles on it. Absolutely nothing for a Toyota Highlander. Someone took really nice care of the car. Love the center row captains. I don't see these too often. I know they're out there, but they just usually aren't available to me. Got the sunshade for the kiddos. Really nice. Third row, use it or fold it up, rear air. We go through these cars mechanically with a fine-tooth comb. We will do all the fluids, all the filters, make sure there's no issues. No funny smells, no shakes or vibrations or rattles or tires out of balance or anything that needs tires or brakes. Anything that has less than 50% on the brake pads, we go ahead and replace them because I can get it done so much cheaper than you can in my shop. So these shops around here are sometimes charging $300, $400, $500 just for front or rear brakes. My shop does them for less than a couple hundred usually on most cars. We sell extended warranties at our cost on these Toyotas. They're super inexpensive. We can get you a very good long-term warranty, and we have good financing for good credit, mediocre financing for mediocre credit, and we have pretty bad financing for pretty bad credit. But we can get you approved, so give us a call. Mike Stout, Sawnee Mountain Motors. My cell phone is 404-867-5028. Thanks so much, and have a great day.